What's the name of my fans? I call my fans Tiffanaddicts, so it's like Tiff fan. Tiffany, Tiffany, I don't know. I thought it's cool. Yeah, like he ran into a tree. No joke. I mean, I didn't see it happen, but I just saw everyone around him and like someone like, and so then I'm really sad. And then there's this other lady who was crying because she saw him, and I mean, I didn't see him, but it's like if she's crying just because she's a mom and she feels bad for that family, and it's like, I don't know. Be safe, you guys. Wear helmets, be protected, don't do anything stupid because life is fragile, and live every moment like it's the last because you really don't know when it will be the last time you're here, which is sad, but true. So live it to the most. And Diego, okay, it disappeared. But no, I didn't sell my jacket. What kind of boy do I like? I like someone who's funny and sweet and nice and who just cares. And I mean, it's more personality based, but obviously you have to be attracted to someone you like. Hello, Scotland, from H Scotland 17. I would love to come over soon. That'd be really cool. First, I gotta work on my accent. Ice cream? Is that Scottish? I don't remember how I said it the other day. Can you see the jacket? I'm so sure. Okay, I promise I'll sing the song next. Okay. So this is the jacket I'm selling. It's pink on the inside, green on the outside. Has a lot of like nifty things. Like this is where you can clip your password and just like, zoom it out. I don't know. It has a thing where you snap it so snow doesn't get in your jacket. I probably sound stupid because I don't know what I'm talking about. But there's like a zipper on the inside and on the outside. Jackets with pockets. Who would have thunk? And yeah, it matches my boots and my stuff I have, but it's just too big. So I was trying to sell it. So if you want a jacket, let me know. Tweet me. Okay. Now I'll say myself. I'll sign it. If you buy it, I'll sign it. Elevator buttons and morning air. Stranger silence makes me wanna take the stairs. If you were here, we'd laugh about the vacant stairs. But right now, my time moves fast. Seems like there's always someone who disapproves. Hey, Sophie, judging like they know about me and you. And the verdict comes from those with nothing else to do. Jury's out. My choice is you. Okay, I gotta scroll down. Sorry, people. So don't you worry your pretty little mind. People throw rocks at things that shine and light. Makes love look hard. Stakes are high, the water's rough, but this life is ours. Never know what people have up their sleeves. Ghosts from your past gonna jump out at me. Lurking in the shadows with their lip gloss smiles, but I don't care. 'Cause right now you're mine. And you'll say, don't you worry your pretty little mind. People throw rocks at things that shine and light. Makes love look hard. Stakes are high, water's rough, but this love is ours. restart the fridge. Okay, I got this. I remember. It's not theirs to speculate if it's wrong, yeah. Your hands are tough, but they are where mine belong, yeah. I'll fight the doubt and give you faith with this song for you, for you. 'Cause I love the gap between your teeth. I love the riddles that you speak. And then these nights marked my father. And people throw rocks at beams that shine, and light makes love look hard. Stakes are no, it's a double chorus. Tricky stuff there. So don't you worry your pretty little mind. People throw rocks at beams that shine.